Linking items in Monday.com helps connect related tasks or information across different boards, improving organization and workflow management. Here's how to link items. Log into Monday.com. Go to Monday.com and log in with your credentials. Open the relevant board. Navigate to the board containing the items you want to link. You can link items within the same board or across different boards. Add the Connect Boards column. Click on plus Add column at the top of the board. Select the Connect Boards column type from the column options. This column allows you to link items between boards. Select the board to link. In the Connect Boards column settings, choose the board you want to link items from. You can select from any existing board in your Monday.com account. Link the items. Once the Connect Boards column is set up, click on any cell in the column. A pop-up will appear showing items from the selected board. Search or scroll to find the item you want to link, then click on it to create the link. Use mirror columns. To display specific data from the linked items, add the mirror column. This column will show selected fields from the linked item, providing real-time updates.